Simple summer coloring pages like these have made thousands of dollars just by being sold on Etsy. Isn't that amazing? If we scroll down, we'll see these pages have nearly 9,000 reviews. At the top, the price is listed as $2.27. That means the seller earned almost $20,000 just from people who left reviews. And most buyers don't even leave reviews. So realistically, they probably made close to $50,000 just from these simple coloring pages. That's absolutely incredible. On Etsy's homepage, you'll also find many more coloring books like these, generating thousands of dollars every single month. So let's dive right in. I'll show you how to make these pages easily using AI and how to start selling them on Etsy today. First, I go to ChatGPT and ask for 10 summer-themed coloring page ideas for kids. In seconds, I get a full list of creative fun ideas. Then, I ask ChatGPT to write image prompts for those ideas, which I'll use to generate coloring images with AI. Now I copy the first prompt and go to a free ChatGPT plugin that creates coloring pages. You can find it online. It's easy and completely free. I paste in the first prompt, wait just a few seconds, and the image is ready. To save time, I go back to ChatGPT, copy more prompts, and paste them into the tool, generating multiple images at once. In under 2 minutes, I've got a full set of summer-themed coloring pages. The results? They look amazing, super clear, fun to color, and kid-friendly. I download the images and we're ready for the next step. Now I head to canva.com and create a new document. Set the size to 8.5 by 11 inches, the perfect dimensions for kids' coloring books. I upload the AI images, then add them one by one to the Canva file. Resize and crop slightly to make them fit the page just right. Once all the pages are added, I click Share, then Download, and save them as either PNG or PDF. Now we've got a high-quality printable coloring book, ready to sell. Now go to Etsy.com, upload your file, add a nice cover and product description, and you're ready to start selling. But here's the real key. Keep going. Keep uploading more themed coloring pages. The more you post, the more chances you'll have to make sales. And trust me, it adds up fast. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got more AI tips and creative income ideas coming your way.